हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर संतोष कुमार पांडे फ्रॉम रिजू एनर्जी सेंटर। जैसा आप सबको पता है कि मैं बहुत सारे लोगों के इंटरव्यूज करता हूँ एंड किस तरह से हमारे फील्ड से या एक्यूपंक्चर, नेचुरोपैथी, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, कोलोन, इवन क्रायो चिकित्सा के बाद उनको किस तरह के बेनिफिट्स होते हैं और क्या उन्होंने अपने जीवन में उसका पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस किया हुआ है। सो दैट्स वाई टुडे आई इनवाइटेड सलील खन्ना सर। वो आपको अपने बारे में बताएंगे किस तरह से उनका खुद का अनुभव रहा है। और उनके पिताजी भी आज 83 के हैं और लगभग 4 या 5 वर्षों से वो हमें रेगुलर देखते रहते हैं। किसी भी प्रकार की अगर उनको समस्या होती है तो ही कॉल्स अस एंड कम्स टू अस एंड ही इज सो हैप्पी। वही सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस सलील सर इज गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू ऑल। सो नाउ
Namaste everybody, my name is Salil Khanna and my father is Sudarshan Kumar Khanna. He's 83 years old and I have been bringing him here regularly on and off whenever it is required for him. We discovered this place quite out of need because dad was not very comfortable in taking too many tablets. उनको दवाइयाँ खाने से बड़ी एलर्जी हो गई थी। इतने सारे टैबलेट्स खाने, खाना कम खा रहे हैं, दवाइयाँ ज़्यादा खा रहे हैं, टैबलेट्स ज़्यादा खा रहे हैं। तो हमको बोला गया था कि नहीं, ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन में आप कुछ ट्राई करें। तो वी एक्सप्लोर्ड आयुर्वेदा एंड नेचुरोपैथी एंड अल्टीमेटली वी केम टू एक्यूपंक्चर and we were referred to Dr. Pandey by one of our common friends and an ex-patient of Dr. Pandey, and we had a very good experience. Now at first I was a little skeptical कि पता नहीं कैसे है, कुछ documentation हमने पढ़ा नहीं था. Since I am from electronics background, being scientific and being rational was very important. Of course, scientific and rationality has its own extreme nonsense also, but then you have to weigh it with your own judgments. We read some things on acupuncture, acupressure and Ayurveda, and ultimately we decided कि नहीं, ठीक है, हम लोग ये try करके देख लेंगे. No harm in trying it because there is no chemical rasayan, there is no drugs, there is no such kind of a invasive procedure in which you are going to put something else into a senior citizen or to an old person where things may go wrong. अगर कुछ बाहर का कुछ डाल दिया, कुछ गलती हो गई, कुछ ज़्यादा डोज हो गया, लेने के देने पड़ जाएं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो एक बार ट्राई करके देख लेते हैं. एक बार ट्राई करके देखा and dad was really impressed and happy because he got his imbalances corrected and he came back to his normality. He could feel it himself. Within a few sessions, he was back to his center. And without taking medicines, that was the happiest thing about him. So, now this includes also change of lifestyle and change of diet and some certain do's and don'ts, which at my dad's age, he cannot, actually discipline, follow or change his habits right now. So then we decided कि नहीं, आपको जो करना है करो, do whatever you want, you be happy. Whenever you feel that you are imbalanced and things are going off center or things are going off the track, थोड़ा सा हटके कुछ feeling हो रहा है, come back to Dr. Pandey. So that's what we do now. We look for symptoms, we look for signs, and थोड़ा सा कुछ लगा के अनबन हो रहा है, कुछ imbalance आ रहा है, तो in the next 1 week, 10 days, we call Dr. Pandey up and we said, we would like to come for a few sessions, and then it gets sorted out, and then that thing lasts for a few months, not just few weeks. It lasts for a few months till his lifestyle, drags him down again, and then again we come for a rebalance. He has had 2 cardiac bypasses. He has infarct on his left forebrain over here, and a slight case of dementia, memory loss. His hearing is poor, his eyesight is poor because of taking strong allopathic medicines of the, like atorvastatin and all this kind of stuff, which his muscles are getting weakened. So we have to have a massage session for him sometimes. And of course, Ayurvedic medicines are on for detox, but his brain and his memory and his awareness level, when that goes really off a little bit, we come to Santosh Pandey. That's it. That is the only thing that helps him, because you don't want to give him sleeping pills or some kind of enhancers which will create other kind of side effects. At this age, you can't push his body or his mind too much. You have to do it very slowly. Okay. To keep him alive, a little bit of games, a little bit of TV is going on, so that keeps him occupied. Every 4-5 days, I quarrel with him, I argue with him a little bit, and then after 10 minutes of arguing, I tell him, yes, no, your point is all right, and he feels very happy because his ego is satisfied. For an old person, all these games are required. But the main fulcrum is the acupuncture that we do here. If that is missing, all the other tricks don't work. We have to do that. This acupuncture stuff made sense because it adjusts the electricity inside your body in something what they call as meridians or pathways. But what flows in the pathways is what Ayurveda calls as prana, but for us it's just energy. The simplest form of energy we know is electricity, okay, or heat. So that is the thing that is controlled. You just have to take care of how it's distributed, the logistics. The whole body is managed by a vast network of logistics, and this acupuncture and acupressure readjusts the logistics and distributes it evenly. That evenness is the balance, and that's what we get at this place. We try to achieve for balance. We don't want to achieve any high, better energy level like the sportsmen do. They need more energy to do something better. At our level, at our age, my dad's age, you just need to be peaceful and at balance. And this is what works. That's it. My recommendation, try it out. It's a fantastic thing, especially for elderly people and for people who cannot stand too many medicines. They have allergies, they have toxicity problems with different kinds of foods and all. Acupressure, acupuncture. My bet. Okay?
Thank
Wish
you.
all the best. God bless you. Namaste.
So, I would say this is one of the best interview till now I have taken. I'm an acupuncturist and I have been doing great, I would say, but this topic description, this elaborated way acupuncture description is given by Salil ji, and thanks to you, and I'm always
Thank
going to
you.
be there. Thank you.